welcome to A Scary Little Christmas here at Brimstone Haunt up here in Wilmington, Ohio. In case you've never been here before, Brimstone is also co-located with the Yuletide Village. It takes place this time of year. It's kind of a Ren Fair type of village, all kinds of food and vendors out there. If you want to get you a little sneak peek of that, check out our video from last year. So for this year's Christmas haunt, they're running 2 attractions. They've got Psychosis, that's their indoor haunt, and then they've got the Forgotten Forest, that's their outdoor trail. Both of them have been completely rethemed since haunt season, so we're excited to take you guys with us and get some scares tonight. Before you hit the trail, make sure you check out this awesome Midway they've got out here. They've got a fire pit to keep warm, they've got concessions, they've got adult beverages, they've got kind of a zombie apocalypse style bus here, kind of like a 4D motion ride type of simulator. They've got a cranium crusher carnival game, they've got the dead shot paintball gallery, they've got axe throwing, they've got all kinds of stuff out here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit too cold to run the hayride, but we're still gonna have a blast with these other 2 haunts. Without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares.
You're naughty!
Oh crap.
Yes!
No. He's not melting! No!
I love that. Invincible snowman!
It's incredible.
You have very naughty this year.
Absolutely.
Probably, yeah.
Ooh!
We have Lightman Eric with us tonight.
Yep.
Oh, this is awesome.
It's following Alicia. He's still back there. Oh, big old saw.
Our favorite thing.
Please. Sit down,
Here we go!
Oh God.
That was tight.
It was. Oh God, his head's gone.
I don't see a head.
No?
He's been decapitated.
Krampusated. Oh,
like that.
yeah, here it is. Glorious.
I'll trust it. Oh!
Whoa!
I wasn't expecting that. It's a lady with a broken back.
Oh my.
Oh. Have a Christmas
Look
blast.
who it is!
Woo! Good double tap.
That was nice.
What the heck was? I heard a weird noise. Oh!
I want to stay here forever.
I do.
I don't think so.
I want to
I'm
stay.
going to volunteer.
I wanna stay.
I volunteers.
He does. Ow!
Ow!
We died. We died. Oh, we go that way, don't we? Get it, Eric. We gotta stay warm somehow.
Right? So that sums it up here for Psychosis. Let's head on over to the Forgotten Forest.
My name is Sally. I am the Yuletide guide for your ride.
The Yuletide Guide.
Uh-oh.
This way. Yeah, I'm the favorite Yuletide guide. I'm Mr. James #1.
Okay.
Here every once in a while. And it seems we are here.
Okay. We're there. Tunnel 6. Oh, jeez. 666. Gotta get the extra.
Elevator, not the elevator. Come on. This is why I want to shop. Mind the head.
Okay.
And watch out for the spiders, Nora.
Dang it! No! No.
That's nice.
Hmm.
Look at that mist.
That's really creepy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Uh-oh.
Tiny.
Oh, my.
This guy.
He's awesome.
All of you will feel the cold.
Oh God, he's got a creepy voice. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Merry Christmas. God.
I will see you again.
Uh-oh.
Oh crap. That voice sounds familiar.
Yes!
He will see us again. One of those creepy pictures. Oh my.
Yeah, I made a cameo.
No.
Oh, you did see us
back.
again. Oh,
He said he'd see us again.
Lied to you.
He said he'd see us again.
he did. I don't know if that's good or bad.
We said we're all gonna, no, I don't want to freeze.
Oh, no freezing. Ooh, look at that. Part of an airplane. It froze midair. Oh, that's just a good thing. The gift? I don't have anything. Oh, you got big scissors. I don't have one. Eric does.
I don't have any.
It's all the Christmas
No.
lights, please.
Oh.
We can't handle it. You gotta shut off your Christmas lights. We can't handle the extra wattage.
They can't
We
handle
can't
it.
take it all. You gotta go down.
There's too many.
Christmas lights.
Too
We
much.
don't have the wattage.
There's too much power.
Okay, you don't have the wattage.
Uh-oh.
All right. Tyler can't shut off his Christmas light.
Probably not because there was the Santa shorted out on the fence.
No, not at all.
Oh, the creepy woods.
We're not being stalked, but there is something up there, I think. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a sign.
Starting a sentence with "we're not being stalked" is not good.
Oh, I don't like it.
Oh God.
But he's wearing a Christmas sweater.
He's not dead.
How festive.
Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
See no evil, say no evil, speak no evil. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a fairy that wants to steal our souls.
Sugar plum fairy.
Yeah.
Timothy's room.
Oh, God, Timothy?
Admire.
I don't think I like Timothy's room.
Well,
Mind the dog.
I don't think it's friendly.
Let the toys play with you.
Yeah.
Mind your head, mind the walls.
Mind the walls. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Timothy, be a good little boy. Oh.
Look at that
Oh man, that's awesome.
Protesting.
I thought it was just a bunch of stuffed
Timothy's
animals.
toys are not nice. Whoa.
That was great.
You never know if they're real or not.
That was
Oh,
fantastic.
I love these. Sideways. Oh, it's still back there.
It's coming back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these buildings.
Something has come through here. Maybe a nader. Ooh, red lights. That's creepy.
Oh my.
Oh,
He's alive.
he's got the blood red mist. Oh, look at these lights. That's creepy.
Then he's shortening out the
It's a
electric.
Christmas tree farm. That's different.
Cedar Pines, Bruce Roy, Evergreen Tree Farm. Hi, I'm Wally Jingles of Wally Jingles, Cedar Pines, Bruce
Hi,
Roy, Evergreen
Jingles, Wally.
Tree Farm. Due to a grandmother being caught in an unfortunate reindeer accident, I'm currently overstocked on Cedar Pines, Bruce Roy, Evergreen Christmas trees. I'm passing the savings on to you.
Uh-oh. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And get a deal on some Christmas trees.
Oh, the sounds in the bass.
All because Grandma
That's
got run over.
fantastic sound for a trail.
You got a lot of character in there real quick.
Yeah. Uh-oh. People are missing.
Uh-oh.
I know we're not on there. Right?
Not yet.
Oh, look at their pretty tree. Yeah. Creepy kids.
Lights. Very nice.
They are bright. Oh, there's a pair of shoes. If we need any of those. And a book bag. And
Wow.
I don't know how you fit in there. Oh, there's some people on the bus, I think. We're not alone. Oh God, that one's headless too.
He's been decapitated too.
Decapitated?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Get on my bus!
Oh, okay.
Time to go home.
Oh, well.
Yep.
Have a
Time to
Merry
go. God, she come
That was a good one.
Dang, she come across that fast.
Roll with me?
That was a
Oh,
nice.
no. We're gonna go this way. You're not a nice bus driver.
She kicked us off.
Merry Christmas!
I didn't expect her to do that.
I didn't either. She came across there
That
like
was pretty
crazy.
aggressive.
Come over right now.
That was pretty aggressive in the bus.
Ooh.
Not so good.
I didn't do it.
I got spiders.
No!
You like spiders?
No!
Yeah.
No spiders.
I know you like reptiles. I got a special friend just for you.
Oh, yeah.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I think it's a singing ghost.
Tidings we bring for you and your friends. Good tidings for Christmas.
It's got a lot of emphasis there.
New Year.
Yeah, get into it.
Yeah.
Fog.
All rising up.
Ooh.
We got some surround sound.
There's surround
going on
sound
there.
out
I
here.
made the promise for spiders.
No!
Here.
No! I don't need these spiders. These got the claws.
Hey Nora, I want you to come up front. I want you to meet my friend named Mama.
No!
Yeah, Mama wants to meet you real bad.
No, it's not a mama spider.
I don't know. I can't really say that. It depends if the spiders want to come out or not.
I think they do. It's a nice
there is
Step up against the wall, Nora. Let Mama meet you.
Oh God, okay. All right.
Oh, Mama!
Please be nice.
Yeah!
She's not nice!
Mama
Not
alligator!
nice!
Mama Gator.
Naughty!
Hold on.
Mama's naughty! Eric's lights are getting him in trouble. He got jolted. Are you okay? What?
I heard the doctor has a special gift for you.
Oh, crap.
Uh-oh.
Thank you for the warning. Uh-oh. Whoa, that is
thunder.
cool.
This lighting is wonderful.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're in the crypt.
Oh boy. Oh, shoot.
Ooh, they got their little hats on.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, I don't like it. You're fake, right?
The ghosts of Christmas.
Oh, yeah!
I had a feeling one might be real.
Camera, he got him!
Woo! I'm awake.
Uh-oh, that is a bushman.
That is a bushman.
I smell it. I don't trust it. No, it says die!
I got some shrubbery!
We have a stalker. Oh, there was someone else in here. Uh-oh.
Oh, look at this guy! This guy's incredible!
This one's trying to cook us. Oh, those are beautiful.
They are beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this!
Children, I can assure you they're
This is amazing!
But look at the donuts, too. Oh, look at the snow. It's snowing.
I think he said the little gingerbread men were his children.
He did, yeah.
The doctor made
He said, I assure
children?
you they're good.
What?
Huh?
Something about the doctor and gingerbread children back here, and I don't know what was going on.
I said I love your mask. He's like, that's my face.
Oh, there we go. What is going on in there?
We're at the North Pole. I see a lot of candy canes.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Is going
well,
on?
that's
No,
not
it's
creepy or
Rudolph.
anything, but it's glowing
Oh,
and
God.
weird.
That is not what I pictured Rudolph looking like.
It might be a Rudolph.
You sound like Rudolph.
No, Rudolph's not
You
there.
sound like Rudolph.
No.
You sound like Rudolph.
I see him out there. Oh,
that's fine. That's all poison.
Poison. We don't need that. We don't need poison.
What's he doing?
He's gonna get you some eggnog.
Oh,
That's not eggnog.
No.
No.
Why?
Because you're gonna put poison in it.
Thank you.
Oh, I know I'm an eggnog. Find a blessed keeper, Panther, or Glitton, or Vixen, or Cupid. Which one?
Cupid.
You want Cupid? You have all the elves in there, okay? Do you like elves?
Yeah,
Oh,
that'll
well,
work.
you know elves make you stupid, so I mean you're stupid.
Probably, yes.
You want some elves?
Would you like some elf? He's trying to convince us to drink the eggnog. Oh, another pretty Christmas tree.
Saw
That
someone
means it's
peeking.
safe, right?
Sure.
Oh, creepy gingerbread men.
Oh gosh, they are.
Yikes. Cookies! Yeah!
Yeah, you're gonna become one. Oh
No.
no! That's now becoming a cookie!
No.
Dr. Jingles!
Dr. Jingles.
We got new victims!
Victims.
I'm pretty sure your cookie maker is broken.
Oh my.
That means no, not if you're gonna eat us.
No.
Of course I am!
No.
Yeah, she turns you into cookies!
I don't like it.
We don't want to be cookies. No. She actually took a bite out of that cookie too.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. She wasn't messing around.
Uh-oh.
I don't know about it.
Oh God.
Oh, I know. What's he got?
What
He's
is
got a shake.
He's got some kind of eggnog
Watch out.
concoction or something. He's growling at me now.
It's probably got human parts in it.
I don't know.
No, thank you.
That's not good. Yeah, don't do it. It's toxic.
I'm good. Thank you. I'm sure.
Are you sure that's good to drink?
I'd say it's a little toxic.
Eggs and ham!
No. It's definitely.
Made and brewed!
Oh, yeah, nice and fresh. I'm pretty sure.
I just got it out of the fountain!
Okay.
Whoa, what are you guys doing here?
Just going for a walk.
Going for a walk?
Get us some of that Castrol
That's the eggnog
eggnog.
specialist.
Depends on who Henry is.
He's the eggnog specialist. He's higher than me.
Yeah.
Instead of eggnog.
Well, do we have a choice?
Yeah.
Look, even the back of his jacket says eggnog.
I want some eggnog.
Is that necessary? You drank the eggnog. That's what happened. You drank it.
Oh,
Don't drink it.
that's the good
Probably
eggnog.
had a little too much to drink.
I see.
I tend to agree.
The way he looks, the way he looks.
Oh, okay. Are you sure that's not why you look the way you look?
No, it's all Henry's fault.
Oh, it's Henry.
Damn it, Henry.
Okay.
We're blaming Henry. Okay.
I think you got a little on you still. It's Sam's ice cream.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at those lights. Oh, what does the red and white mean?
Circus?
Or candy canes.
Maybe? Oh, nope, circus.
I was right.
Yep. Ringling Brothers. Oh,
Downtown.
ooh, it's a black kiss.
Oh, the nice wrappings.
Woo!
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh,
That is trippy. It's like a big giant candy cane. Whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Where are you? Oh. Oh God.
oh my.
What is that? Oh. She's got nice big nails too. Woo! That reverberates. Ooh, she was creepy, wasn't she?
Did you make it?
That was fun.
Yeah, it was.
I'm gonna get one more little bang in there.
Good startles.
One more bang, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Really good masks.
All right, well, that was the Forgotten Forest and sums it up here for Brimstone Haunt. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is your first time watching, we are The Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see our full review with ratings from haunt season, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. And before you leave, don't forget to check out their awesome merch shop, get you some swag before you head out. Speaking of heading out, we're gonna head towards the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.